Hello everyone, here welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for staying back. So I always share interesting and educative video, so I'm back with another one today. In today's video, just sit down and enjoy how I made this yummy and tasty egg roll. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that. So let's get started. So yeah, the list of the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. I have 250 grams of flour. I'll put everything in my description box, so please feel free to check that out. Then 50 grams of sugar. 50 to 75 grams is okay, but 50 grams is perfect for me. Then you have your baking powder, the eggs, the boiled eggs. You have your flour. We'll put little salt and nutmeg. So for this particular one, you can actually get 6 egg rolls out of this. So let's go ahead and mix other ingredients. So after that, add your baking powder. After adding the baking powder, add your salt. Salt should not be too much, okay? After the salt, add your nutmeg. After the nutmeg, add your sugar. Add all the dry ingredients together. Then after that, go ahead and mix everything together till it's well combined, okay? So after mixing it together, you go ahead and add your butter. You can actually use melted butter, but this is also fine. Go ahead and use your hand to mix everything together till it's well combined, till you have a crumbling texture. I said you can get 6 pieces of egg roll using this recipe. Then if you want to do 12 egg roll, that should be 500 grams of flour, right? So you just have to double this particular ingredient to get 12 egg rolls. It's just like that till you get the desired number. Okay, so after mixing everything together, this is what I have. Can you see? It's just to give us that crumbling texture. We are not using a lot of ingredients for this egg roll, and trust me, it came out so tasty and yummy. Everyone that ate out of it asked for more. You should know, right? Then after that, go ahead and add your water. For this, you don't need too much of water, okay? Just make sure till everything comes together. As you see what I'm doing in this video, just add it at interval, okay? So as you see me do, please don't add too much water, okay? Just add it little by little. Then after that, I think the water is okay like this, so I'll just use my hand and work on it. After that, you just knead it for few minutes, few seconds rather. You don't really need to knead your egg roll like that. So as you can see me do in this video, so after kneading it, I'm done kneading it. This is what I have. I will divide it into 6 equal parts. You can actually use your scale to measure this out, but I decided to go on just using my eyes to gauge it, okay? But you can use your scale just to get the perfect measurement. So I am so sure you can get 6 egg rolls out of this. So first, I'll be showing you the first method on how to achieve perfect egg roll. You can put the dough on your palm as you see me do in this video, but for me, I prefer the second method. I'll also show us that. Sprinkle some flour, flatten it on your palm, then put the egg in between. Then just do as you see me do in this video. Just make sure the dough cover the egg. You have to cover this very well so that when you are frying it, it will not open up, okay? Just do as I do in this video. So once you are done covering the egg rather, so After that, just roll it out using your two hands as you see me do in this video. Just replicate this and you'll get perfect egg roll. So I'm done. I think this is okay by me. Then I'll be showing us the second method. This is another method. Take the dough, sprinkle some flour and use your fingers to spread it out as you see me do in this video. To me, this is easier and it's better for me. So you can go with anything you are comfortable with. Okay, some people use their rolling pin to roll it out. Just place the egg inside. Just after that, put the egg in between and use your dough to cover the egg. Make sure you cover it well. It is very important. Okay, and some people are asking me, how much do I sell this, how much do I sell that? Yes, it depends on your location. Okay, make sure you carry out your feasibility study, check your competitors, how much are they selling their own, and before you even do that, calculate all the ingredients you use for the product before you start selling out. After calculating it, add your own gain. You don't need to add much at first. As time goes on, you can increase your price. Okay, so after that, I'm done rolling everything. I have 6 egg rolls, so it's time to fry. Just fry it on low to medium heat so that everything will get done. You won't want the outside to be brown while inside is not done. Okay, so make sure you fry it on low to medium heat. Then flip it over. Make sure everything is well cooked as you see me do in this video. So as I was saying, just do your perfect calculation, add your gain, your effort, the strength you put into making that product, then you sell it out. I gave this out to people and people really enjoyed it. They really like the egg roll. So that's just it. Do your perfect calculation. After frying it, this is what we have. It came out so nice, inviting and delicious. So I'm done making the egg roll. Let me just cut it so that you can see what the inside looks like. So after this whole thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I have lots and lots of recipes to share with you guys. And I'm sharing this so that you can pick any of my recipes and you can start a business with that, sell it to people, advertise yourself, put it on your status, and that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.